This Italian pasta salad recipe will add flavor to your 4th of July. What's more American than celebrating July 4th with an Italian pasta salad? After all, 2 Italian Americans signed the Declaration of Independence. Besides, do you really want to flip burgers over a hot grill on an even hotter summer day when you could have a refreshing pasta salad Italiano? Dan Souza is not Italian. He's the Chief Content Officer for America's Test Kitchen, and he taught Morning Edition's A. Martinez an amazing Italian pasta salad recipe. Here are some interview highlights. Everyone loves pasta. Pasta salad is such a wonderful thing. We all love pasta, but we felt like there could be some really thoughtful improvements to the formula. It's a great one to bring to the party. This recipe is a party in your mouth. It is probably the most flavorful pasta salad I've ever had. Most Americans are very familiar with al dente to give more texture to the pasta. But we're going to break the rules. In pasta salad, because we're going to chill it really well, the pasta firms up really well during that process. So, we're actually going to overcook this pasta by about 2 to 3 minutes. It's going to seem pretty soft. But then, as we cool it down, it's going to firm back up a little bit.